It's Thursday afternoon, September 24th, and today the big news has been the steel structure going up. They've been at it all day. They started early this morning, and we've seen a lot of progress. So I thought I'd just give you a little bit of a tour on what's going on, and it's not done yet. All the structure still is not completely in place, but they're winding up. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon, and I think they'll probably put in a long day today. I don't think that they'll get it all done today, but wow, what an accomplishment already. So let's take a look. This is the back parking lot. The front parking lot has been littered with steel structure out there as well, but you see they have a little bit more work to do, and I'm trying to stay out of their way. But these guys have been hard at it. I haven't seen them take a break even one time. So I think they have it in their mind they're going to make a lot of progress today. Oh yeah, that's what we want. We've been waiting for this. Every day this week it's been, is the steel there yet? Well, the steel's here, but the crane's not here.
So the process, getting everything off the trucks and organized, they call shaking out the steel.
Oh, shaking out the steel, huh?
That's usually a couple-day process. So getting it unloaded, getting organized so that he can pick it up efficiently. Because the cranes are so expensive, they're like, it's $1,700 for the day.
Whoa,
So
$1,700 bucks.
It's sitting here 2 or 3 days in a row and not getting nothing done with it.
Oh, absolutely. What's that stuff you spray on all the threads?
Just WD-40 to help.
Okay.
Some of them got a little rusty.
All right.
I had a couple that were froze up, had to spray them and let them set.
Yeah.
Beat them with a hammer to get them to turn.
Right. Well, I saw you guys measuring. I wondered what was going on. I figured it was...
I don't know how they come up with what they had, but yeah. Daily glitches.
I can't adjust the angle on Tom's saw.
Move up here a little closer. Here we are in the auditorium. Things look the same in here, but we're gonna take little John out here, and I'm gonna make this really quick because I don't wanna get in anybody's way. You can see what's happening out here. We've got these beams that are coming right on into this area. They're working overhead there, you can see. And this is part of the lobby. You can see the beams there. And you can also see the sky. Out in front, we see most of the sheeting going on, so we'll be out of the weather here before you know it. I'm really glad to get this taken care of because this has been kind of open here for a couple of days as they're getting ready to do these other jobs. Here's some more that needs to be put up in front here, but I'll give you a shot from the east side, and you can see all the work that's been done. It's quite impressive. Now we're gonna go downstairs and I'll show you just a little bit about what's been going on down here. Right in here, we've got some cabinets that are pretty much in place, and it cracks me up when I see a sign like this that protects our countertops. Not your workbench. I love it. And you know, it's just like at home. When you see a flat surface, then you want to put something there. So you can't blame anybody. That's just human nature, isn't it? And here's where we're at in here. This is a classroom over here. We're getting ready to tear this ceiling down. And then there'll be a drop ceiling that will be put in here. That's all for today. It's Thursday. I know there'll be more work that will have been done by the time you get here on Sunday morning if you're planning to attend. But we just appreciate you tuning in every week and catching this. So God bless you. Keep praying. You know the Lord has given us a great week weather-wise, and we're just hoping though that we do get a little bit of rain, but not until we're ready for it. So God bless and take care. We'll see you soon.